sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 into sin of 90 minus theta. We have to show this value is equal to cot theta is equal to root 2 plus 1. Yes, given that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 into sin 90 degree minus theta. So which implies sin theta as it is plus cos theta is also as it is root 2 sin of 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta, by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now sin theta, we take cos theta here, so cos theta whole divided by cos theta is equal to root 2. Now you make it separate, so sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta is equal to root 2. Yes, these two gets cancels. So sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta plus 1. That's correct. This is very important. Is equal to root 2. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root 2. We shift here. So minus 1. Now you have to convert this one in terms of cot. So now take reciprocal. Tan theta written as 1 by cot theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. So don't write reciprocal of this one. You write only tan theta. So tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. So this one as it is. Now you find the value of cot theta. Therefore cot theta is equal to, now you write reciprocal, 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Therefore cot theta is equal to 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 into, rational is the denominator, that is root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1, conjugate of the denominator. Therefore cot theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by 1 into root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. So this is of the form a minus ba plus b, so a square, so root 2 square minus 1 square. As therefore cot theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 as it is. So root 2 root gets cancels, so 2 minus 1. Therefore last step, cot theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by 1. So this is equal to RHS. Yes, any doubt? Okay, na? That's very simple as compared to previous questions. Okay, na? The next question, same chapter, trigonometric identities, question number 30, second one. Sin A plus secant A whole square plus cos A plus cosecant A whole square. We have to show this value is equal to 1 plus secant A into cosecant A whole square. Now consider LHS as sin A as it is plus secant A can be written as 1 divided by cos A whole square plus cos A as it is, cosecant A can be written as 1 divided by sin A whole square. So this is equal. Take LCM now. So what is the LCM? Cos A. Yes, correct. Cos A is the LCM. So here what we get? Denominator 1. So cos A by 1, that is cos A. Cos A into sin A, or sin A into cos A, plus here 1 whole square plus, similarly here sin A is the LCM. So again we will get here sin A into cos A plus 1 whole square. So this is equal to, now this square is related to both numerator and denominator. Here also square is related to both numerator and denominator. Now you make it separate squares. So sin A into cos A plus 1 whole square divided by cos square A plus, here also sin A into cos A plus 1 whole square divided by sin square A. Now here both terms having the same numerator terms, so taking out sin A into cos A plus 1 whole square as a common factor, remaining here 1 divided by cos square A plus here 1 divided by sine square A. Yes, this is equal to sine A into cos A plus 1 whole square as into take LCM of these two, that is sine square A into cos square A is the LCM. So cos square gets cancelled. So what will get here? Sine square A plus sine square gets cancelled. So what will get here? Cos square A. Yes, this is equal. Now sine A into cos A plus 1 whole square as it is. Again you have identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So replace 1 here, plus divided by sine square A into cos square A. Yes, this is equal to, now again, yes, sine A into cos A plus 1, sine A into cos A plus 1 whole divided by, yes, sine A into cos A, yes, make it square here, no problem. Why? Because here also square, so here sine square A, cos square A. So 1 divided by sine A into cos A whole square. So both terms are in the square, so that's why you make it single term. Yes, now make it separate now. Yes, sine A into cos A divided by sine A into cos A plus 1 divided by sine A into cos A whole square. So this is equal to sine A cos A, cos A gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 by sine A, that is cosecant A, 1 by cos A, that is secant A whole square. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, na? Yes, any doubt regarding this? Okay. Yes. Third one, tan A plus sin A divided by tan A minus sin A. We have to show this value is equal to secant A plus 1 divided by secant A minus 1. So LHS is equal to as tan A. Tan A can be written as sin A divided by cos A plus sin A as it is divided by tan A again. So sin A divided by cos A minus sin A as it is. So this is equal to take LCM. Cos A is the LCM. So cos A gets cancelled, so remaining sin A plus here denominator 1. Divide cos A by 1, what you will get? Cos A into numerator, that is sin A into cos A whole divided by, here cos A is the LCM. Cos A gets cancelled, sin A minus here, what you will get? Sin A into cos A. So this is equal to sin A plus sin A into cos A divided by cos A into, make it reverse, so cos A divided by sin A minus sin A into cos A. So cos A gets cancelled. So this is equal to sin A plus sin A into cos A. So sin A is common factor here or common term. So sin A is common, remaining 1 plus cos A divided by, so again sin A is common here, 1 minus cos A. So sin A gets cancelled. So just to observe here, we have to convert this one in terms of secant. So 1 as it is. Cos A can be written as 1 divided by secant A divided by 1 minus 1 divided by secant A. Again take LCM. So secant A is the LCM. What will get here? Secant A plus 1 divided by, again secant A is the LCM. And what will get here? Secant A minus 1 as last step. So secant A plus 1 divided by secant A into reverse secant A divided by secant A minus 1. So these two gets cancelled. So final step, last step, secant A plus 1 divided by secant A minus 1. So this is equal to RHS part. Yes, any doubt? Okay, na? Yes. First one. Here some questions not there. Question number 32. If 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4, the question is find the value of theta. So condition they given. So theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Yes. So 7. Replace this one again by using identity 1 minus cos square theta, or replace this one cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Any one. So 7 as it is 1 minus sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta plus, so 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. So which implies multiply 7 minus 7 cos square theta plus, so 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. So which implies 7 minus 7 cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta is equal to 4. So therefore 4 cos square theta is equal to 7 minus 4, as you should take this one here and this one you take here. So therefore 4 cos square theta is equal to 7 minus 4, 3, as therefore cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. And therefore cos theta is equal to, take square root of 3 by 4. And therefore cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, as which implies cos theta is equal to, this can be written as cos, what value of theta is equal to root 3 by 2, cos, that is very important. What value of cos is equal to root 3 by 2. So here cos theta is equal to, so cos of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos gets cancels, and therefore the value of theta is equal to 30 degree. Yes. Okay, na? Right. 3. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to m and secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1, prove that m into n is equal to 1. Yes, very simple. Yes, proof. Consider LHS. So that is mn, replace m value, secant theta plus tan theta, n value, secant theta minus tan theta. Yes, multiply these two. This is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Again, by using identity, we have identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So here you replace 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. So tan square theta gets cancels, is equal to 1. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, na? Very simple. Is equal to a secant theta plus b tan theta, and y is equal to a tan theta plus b secant theta. We have to prove that x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. As proof. Consider LHS. So that is x square minus y square. Replace x value. So a secant theta plus b tan theta, square is there, you write square, minus b. Yes. Next one, y square. Y square means a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square. Replace x value, x square, minus y value, make it square. Now expand this, a square secant square theta by using a plus b whole square. So b square tan square theta plus 2ab, 2a secant theta into b tan theta minus, better to write bracket, a square tan square theta plus b square secant square theta plus 2ab, 2a into b ab tan theta into secant theta. So this is equal to a square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta plus 2ab secant theta tan theta. Now multiply minus a square tan square theta. So all terms will become minus into plus minus b square secant square theta minus into plus minus 2ab tan theta into secant theta. Yes, any cancellation? Yes, 2ab tan theta secant theta plus 2ab tan theta secant theta gets cancelled. Yes, next a square secant square theta minus b square secant square theta. So here you take secant square theta as a common. Thus secant square theta as a common here. So remaining a square minus b square. Yes, next b square tan square theta minus a square tan square theta. So minus tan square theta taking as a common, remaining here minus tan square theta means rewrite first term here a square. Yes, it will become minus, so minus b square. Yes, next term, so a square minus b square as a common, so remaining here secant square theta minus tan square theta. So this is equal to, yes, a square minus b square as it is. Yes, what is the value of this one? Again by using identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And therefore the value of secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So here replace, in place of secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So product of these two, a square minus b square. So this is equal to RHS. Lesson 35. If x is equal to h plus a cos theta and y is equal to k plus a sin theta, prove that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Let's consider LHS. Proof. LHS is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. S. So can you find by using given condition x is equal to h plus a cos theta. So from this find the value of x minus h very easily. X minus h is equal to a into cos theta. Just you replace h here. So what is the value of x minus h? A into cos theta. So similarly from this term find the value of y minus k. So what is the value of y minus k? So a into sin theta. That's correct. Now you replace here. X minus h is equal to a cos theta whole square plus y minus k, that is a into sin theta whole square. Yes, now make it square. So a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Now, so a square is common, remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta. Again by using identity, a square, the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this is equal to a square into 1, a square. So this is equal to